So I'm really excited about this new gaming chair. Thank you to the company for sending me this. When the chair gets shipped to you, it's in a box and there is some assembly required, but the installation process is fairly simple. They give you all of the parts and tools that you need, and I was able to get it together in maybe 15-20 minutes. From the moment that I got it, started opening the box, and the first thing that you kind of encounter is the feel of the leather. I absolutely love the feel of this leather. It's very soft, very supple, very comfortable, pliable leather. So that right off the bat was a great start to the quality of this chair. So this gaming chair has a ton of features. They really tried to make it as comfortable as possible. It has a nice thick seat. Sitting on this chair feels a lot like sitting on a couch. Things that I like about this chair are that it is super adjustable to your fit, so I'll demonstrate some of those. As we already talked about, it has the backrest, so as soon as you sit down, you can move it up or down to fit your lower back, and then also it has the pillow here to kind of fit your neck. The arms are very comfortable, and it does feel very supportive. You can also adjust the up and down. There is a locking mechanism for the back. If you want to recline it, you can recline it to any position you want, and then you just lock it back in and it stays in that position. It has footrest, which is easily accessible. So if you feel like lounging a little bit more, you just pull the footrest out, and it's very stable, holds my legs quite well. So the footrest is also adjustable in and out depending on your height and where you want it. And it also folds down and will go out of the way. This chair is a good size. It's very roomy, so there's plenty of space on it. There are also wheels on the bottom of this chair, so you can roll around and move as needed. So there also is a little bit of a storage pocket on the back. The cushions for your neck and lower back are easily removable if you want to take them off. This is the brown color. It does come in multiple colors. And one of the things that I really like, a design element, is the stitching on the chairs. It adds a nice style to the chair. So if you're looking for a new gaming chair, this is a great option for you. Very comfortable. I love the adjustments to it.